Okay, traders, a quick trade I want to give you. It's expiry. It's the weekly expiry right now in November. I want to give you a trade, 5th November weekly expiry trade. So weekly expiries are known for hero zero trades, means that you take a trade and have no stop loss. Either it becomes and gives you a lot of profit, it becomes a hero, or it will go to zero. Please, the disclaimer is there. If you take these trades, you are responsible for your risk. We are only giving you educational ideas. Do not hold us responsible for any loss. I would recommend only one lot or two lot. I would like to go with a 12,000 put option. Current price is about 8 rupees as I speak. So that's only an investment of 500, 600 rupees. I can take a put option. I want to buy a put option here, and the targets would be 20, 30. And as we go on, we will keep on trailing. So you can try this trade. It's a hero zero trade. Please make sure this can become zero also, and or it can become double. There is no stop loss. So please analyze your risk and take this trade accordingly. Thank you.